So I'm just going to say a little speech that I wrote out. So, to my amazing daughter, my dearest baby girl, today I speak not just for you, but for every child who has been let down by a system so broken. A system that has stolen your rights and denied you of the education you deserve. You are extraordinary. And yet this country, a country that promises equality and opportunities, has failed you. For years of waiting lists for assessments of need, to multiple refusals for CAMHS, to paying thousands annually for therapies. You have fought tirelessly. Yet here we are with 194 children in a group of parents locked out of education. This is not just unfair. It is a violation of your basic human rights. The Irish government have made promises, but promises mean nothing without action. Why is Ireland standing still? Why are they watching as our children are failed? Education is not a privilege, it's your right. The government has a statutory duty to protect your rights under the Constitution and international laws. But instead of solutions, we're faced with delays, excuses and neglect and broken promises. To our leaders, let me be clear. We do not want to hear another state apology years from now for the neglect of our children. We do not want our children to become the next scandal, the next shameful chapter in the Irish history of institutional failures. Our children deserve better. They deserve an education system that values them for who they are, a system that supports their potential instead of shutting doors in their faces.